Explore AI with Google AI Studio. Curious about diving into the world of AI but hesitant about coding complexities? Well, worry not. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through Google AI Studio, a user-friendly platform for building and deploying AI models without the need for extensive coding. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a free account. To begin your AI journey, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, no problem, you can create a free account at any time. Once you have your Google account, head over to makersuite.google.com, click on Get Started, and choose a project name and region. Easy, right? Step 2. Explore the interface. After creating your project, you'll be greeted with Google AI Studio's intuitive interface. Navigate through the left side panel for data, models, pipelines, deployments, and settings. On the right, you'll find the canvas, the creative space where you design your AI model using drag-and-drop components. At the top, the toolbar allows you to save, run, and share your project effortlessly. Step 3. Import or create data. To train your AI model, you need data. Google AI Studio makes this easy by providing sample datasets for various tasks. You can also import your own data from sources like Google Drive or CSV files. In the Data section, click New Dataset, choose a source, and upload or select your data. Simple, right? Step 4. Build your model. With your data ready, it's time to build your AI model. In the Models section, click New Model. Explore pre-built components in categories like input/output, pre-processing, feature engineering, training, and more. Drag and drop these components onto the canvas, connecting them to form a pipeline. Customize each component's parameters to fit your needs. Step 5. Train and test your model. Now comes the exciting part, training and testing your model. In the Pipelines section, click Run to start the training process. Monitor the progress and logs, and check metrics like accuracy and loss. To test your model on new data, use the Test component. Input values and see how well your model performs. Step 6. Deploy your model. If you're satisfied with your model's performance, it's time to share it with the world. In the Deployment section, click New Deployment. Provide a name, description, and voila! You'll get a URL for your model's API endpoint. This URL lets you send requests and receive responses in JSON format. Congratulations! You've created and deployed your first AI model with Google AI Studio. And there you have it. You've successfully created and deployed your first AI model using Google AI Studio. Dive deeper into this powerful platform, explore more features, and unleash the potential of AI in your projects. Have fun creating amazing AI applications with Google AI Studio.